service 850-336-1845. We'll do you a great job, licensed and insured, been in business 28, 29 years. We would love to come out and earn your business. Have a blessed day.